lang po siya. That's why I like working with him. Kasi, ano lang, talagang chill lang po yung trabaho. It's not, I don't know what word to use eh. Sorry.
What we see now is what we get. Ganyan si
Yeah,
James. Yung
ganyan.
sa set, ganyan din talaga,
Yeah.
Nads.
Ganyan lang siya. So, anong gusto mo
Would you
sabihin
say
ko?
the same?
Ikaw naman, James, ano naman masasabi mo? Dun sa question ko.
We've definitely got a lot closer since we started this. But Nadine,
Ani nakita mo kay Nadine para maging close kayo more?
we've been through a lot together. But I think with Nadine, she's the only one that understands me. She understands me more than anyone.
Ah, okay.
Totoo naman, Ray, no? Pag
Oo.
person, araw-araw mong kasama,
No one knows
halos.
what we go through. Like
Kaya
she
napapansin ko parang ingat na ingat sila magsalita. Ano baka parang may madiskubre, mga ganyan.
May maamin.
May lumabas, may maamin, yung mga ganyan.
Wala naman.
Ah, wala naman.
Malay ko.
Di natin alam, di ba? Baka lumabas na. Okay.
Oo.
Congratulations!
Thank you po.
Thank you, Ray. Thank you, Nads, James. Okay, eh?
Partner, ito ang sobrang chill, si Ambet Nabus.
Ayan, si Ambet. Kota si Ambet today, ah. Love you, Ambet.
Yes, thank you. Hello.
Hello po.
Gusto ko lang itanong yung preparations na ginagawa ninyo for the concert kasi last 9 nights ng Otwal, busy kayo for sure sa mga taping. May required hours ba kayo para ma-preserve ang boses? Kasi nararamdaman ko si Nadine mukhang sinisipon or ano. So, paano?
The next few days will be rehearsing.
As
The
in,
next 3 days straight will be dedicated to the concert. We've also been rehearsing on our own, so.
So, na-traffic naman yan ng production tsaka ng, kasi James Kate din ang producer
Ng
ng
concert.
concert
Oo.
along with Viva and ABS. So, na-traffic naman yan ng James
Oo,
Kate.
kasi baka
Galing
hindi na sila,
kaya ng Dreams
baka hindi
Kate
na sila
mag-traffic.
nakakatulog na mabuti, nakakaano, di ba? Kailangan bongga, di ba? Congratulations
Thank
and
you
good
po.
luck, ha?
Thank you, Ambet. And belated happy birthday, Ambet. Love
Belated.
you. Okay, eh. Ano sinasenyas mo dyan?
Hindi, pinapa-out ko lang yung music. We have a question from the editor of Bulgar, Janice Nabila.
Ayan, si Janice.
Ayan, good afternoon. Yung sa concert nyo, kasi syempre si Paolo plays an important role sa Otwal. Nandun din ba siya sa concert or sinadyang hindi isama dahil baka maraming bashers?
Ay!
Ayan.
Paolo, labas dyan. Charot lang. Who can answer that? Intentionally, we did not put Paolo or...
The concert, this is actually Jadine in Love concert. It's
Yeah.
not On Wings of Love concert,
Yeah.
so.
Galing mo dun, James. Sinalo mo ako.
I'm not saying that.
So hindi ikaw ang nag-request, James, hindi ikaw ang nag-request na hindi isama si Paolo, ah. Walang personalan, ah.
Of course not. Me and Paolo are very good friends.
Oh. Ayan, nabitin lang kami kanina doon sa inamin mo, James, na may plan kayo to celebrate Valentine sana sa isang resto. Pero hindi mo sinabi what happened after na makancel yung date o yung dinner nyo.
No, after it got canceled, we went to Rockwell. We bought some games, and then
Ayun.
I ate at home.
So hindi na na-resched ang dinner date.
No.
Oh, nasad tuloy yung mga fans. So wala nang ibang date, wala nang ibang plan na i-celebrate pa?
Yeah, it's a concert. Don't worry, we'll be visiting other countries like Dubai, Milan, Paris. Don't worry.
So doon ang level up ng kilig. Oo. Pero the two of you, are you aware dun sa lumalabas na pictures? Kasi nakunan kayo while you're on Rockwell na parang, di ba, nami-misinterpret si James ngayon. Dun sa nung lumalabas na pictures na nando kayo sa Rockwell, nang nag-shopping kayo, tapos parang may nasa escalator kayo, nauuna si James. Tapos
No.
si Nadine may mga dala. Oh.
Nauna saan?
Naunang bumababa sa escalator.
Eh baka yung wrong timing naman yung pagkakakuha ng photographer.
It's probably
And then, any
Okay.
lang, any statement para kasi nga parang na-judge si James. Ang
Ano
daming
po?
bashers.
Dahil lang nauna, ma-judge
nakita ko
na.
po kasi yung photos, but hindi ko po alam yung part na yun.
Dahil lang nauna.
Kasi nauna po sa escalator.
Oo. Ay,
Actually, we were rushing through the mall because, yeah, there was a lot of people
Kasi
taking
may
photos.
bit-bit ako.
oo, may bit-bit ka. Tapos si James,
Ah.
sinasabi na parang hindi ka tinutulungan.
No, kasi, paano ba? Ha, wait lang, wag explain ako ha, wait lang. Wait lang. Hindi kasi po, yung mga gamit po na, like, ganun, I really don't mind. Kung ako yung magbibit-bit, it's okay, kasi number one, it's not really heavy. Number two, kaya ko naman po. And even pag may schedule, minsan po wala akong PI. I carry my own stuff, I drive. So parang, it's really nothing for me.
Pero si James, hindi ko ba nag-offer, James, to help Nadine?
Ano po,
Hindi ba
sorry po?
nag-offer si James na tulungan ka?
He did, but then, ako nahawa. Kasi it's okay.
Ano
Oo,
bang
ugali
laman?
ko rin yun ako magdadala ng pinamili ko. Hindi ko pwede ipadala. Okay na?
So sa'yo, James, okay lang.
She wanted to hold the bag, so I'm not gonna fight her with the bag.
Sanay po kasi ako ng ganon, even with my bag. Parang, hindi ko po pinapabit-bit talaga sa iba.
Okay, ayan na po.
Last question na lang naman. Sa 7 months nyo nga na magkasama sa Otwall, may mga happy moments, pero may mga, lumalabas din kasi na parang meron kayong petty quarrels, like that. So, anong mga reaction nyo pag may mga ganon, paano kayo nagre-react sa isa't isa? Na-affect ba ang work?
Actually, we've only had one
Tampuhan.
fight, if you call it. It was the premiere night.
Kinikilig kayo, wait lang.
Ano nga premiere
Parang
yun,
mali
James?
Nagkatampuhan na, kinikilig pa. The white dress, yeah.
The premiere of Wang Fam. Yes.
Awang fun.
We had a little misunderstanding, but after that, we were closer than ever.
So, naging deeper pa ang closeness.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, sige, yun na. Para si Nadine, nag-iisip, may follow-up?
Okay.
May follow-up question lang from,
About the concert ba to? About ano?
yeah, from Glenn Regondola.
Not about the concert. Hindi, ano lang, James, up to what extent na ba ang pwede mong pakialaman kay Nadine as a man, as a partner off and on screen? And then, at the same time, si Nadine din, nakikialam ka rin ba kay James, if ever, to what extent, personally? Right, oh. Kasi di ba, yun nga, kasi yung kay James, like, nainis dahil sa damit mo and all that, ibig sabihin, may pakialaman na kayo on a personal note. So, hanggang saan ba? Hanggang saan ba?
Okay, do you guys, para may ganun ba, James Nadine, parang meron na ba siyang say on anything about you or you about her? Ganun?
I think that was just a one-time instance, but usually she's very independent. She knows she does her own thing, and I'm just there to make her smile when she needs it or something like that.
Wow.
And yun with him naman, he knows naman his stuff. So parang, kung alam ko lang na may mali or merong hindi tama, sabihin ko sa kanya, but then if he doesn't know about it, then ayusin. But then, if that's how he wants it, alam niya naman po yun eh. He can take care of himself. Naman
Like
po.
yung damit, ano ba? Ano bang pwede mong mapansin na pwede mong pakialaman kay
Like,
James?
kunyari yung hair niya magulo. Sabihin, oh, your hair is...
Oh, ay, okay lang naman talaga yung
Ganon.
pakialaman. Di ba?
Pero hindi ko hinahawakan.
He doesn't like it. Nahawakan.
Sabihin ko lang, magulo dito sa side na
Oh
po.
my God.
Ganyan lang.
James,
Sabihin ko.
what if hinawakan ni Nadine ang buhok mo? What are you gonna do with her? What
Try.
if she
Try.
touched- Ay, nakakatakot.
Ano ba? Ano ba?
Gusto niyo makaway na makaway dito. Joke.
Okay. Okay na, Glenn? Ano ba?
Isa pa. Now,
Nasasagot ba yung tanong mo na ano?
Yeah, okay naman. Siguro, ganun lang talaga sa ka-private joke. Anyway, alam mo ako, fan ako ng JD from the start. Oh, di ba?
Parang hindi naman yung nababasa ko sa Facebook.
Ano ka
mo,
ba?
Sa column mo.
Panahon pa nila ng diary ng pangit,
Oo.
di ba? Oh. Ano way yun ang tawag dito? May anxiety level, or separation anxiety na ba sa inyo now? Na, yan, patapos ng Otwal, and then, although meron kayong concerts together, pero, in terms yung, meron bang ganung pakiramdam?
Sa
Ginaya
Otwal
ko
po?
din. Yeah, oh. Sa inyong
Hindi, sa
dalawa
diary
mismo.
ng pangit. Yes, sa Otwald na. Sa Punks na ba, James, Nadine? 9 nights to go. Are you having this? Separation anxiety na?
From the rest of the cast, yes, we miss them very
Oo
much.
nga.
I'm gonna miss my Rocks Not Dead boys,
Oh, you know.
Ben Jonalo and Paeng. Also, Ate Cherry Pie. I've learned a lot from her. She's become like a real mother to me, not just in the show. Everyone.
Actually, ako din po lahat ng cast. And of course, sila direct, ganyan. Kasi halos everyday po kaming magkakasama. So parang one big family na kami. So parang even the story, mamimiss ko din po kasi parang yun nga, halos everyday, every other day, ako si Leia, hindi ako si Nadine. So mamimiss ko po yun.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you
Good luck.
Okay. Thank you, Glenn. Okay, I think we'll move now to
Partner, isang follow-up lang regarding concerts.
Sige, go. Oo.
Ambet, from Ambet.
Oo, kasi curious ako malaman dito sa world concert na gagawin nyo. Sa 4 countries, may mga other plans kayo syempre kasi how much is work, how much is fun? May mga plano ba kayong dalawin yung mga relatives, mga ibang supporters nyo? Or may mga pinaplano na ba kayo together na mga pupuntahan yung lugar?
That's interesting, ha? Almost
Yeah.
world tour na pala ito.
Correct.
Almost.
We have some free time in between shows, so we plan to visit Paris is one.
Why is this
Also, from Milan, going to Rome and Venice. That's enough free time.
So doon, ang romantic naman ng free time nyo sa Paris talaga,
Correct,
ano?
di ba? Oo.
Nads, anong plano pa?
Yun nga po, we're there, might as well. And of course, abangan nyo videos ulit. I'm sure yun yung inaabangan, pati sila Sir Deo nakakatawa. Yun
I
yung
know.
inaabangan nila. So, yun. So, updated. Yes, updated po.
Updated. Okay, thank you, Ambet. We will now move to questions about the world tour. Since natanong na niya, are we showing something, di ba? We're not na. Okay, so anything na gusto niyong, would like to announce lang po that the world, someone from the TFC, please. Ayan, Miss Je. Officially, let's announce where the JD shows happening sa different territories. Halika, Miss Je Biscara, please. Siguro by heart, alam mo na to. Oo. Ayan, Miss Je Biscara is ano mga position mo, Miss Je, ngayon? Global Events Head. Ayan, bonggas, ang ganda pakinggan, ano? Parang you're all over.
Magandang hapon po. For TFC, we are being JD right after Otwal. Siyempre, maraming sabik na mga kapamilya natin abroad. We're bringing them first sa Doha, Qatar on March 18 for a show. Tapos the following day, kinagabihan nilipad din agad for the Dubai show ng March 19. And then may break lang in between. Ito na yung sinasabi nilang papasyal sila at pagpapahinga ng konti. And then March 26, we'll have a show naman in London. Tapos kinabukasan din, March 27, sa Milan, Italy naman po. So for the rest of the regions or the rest of the world, inaahis pa ko namin yung schedule nila.
James, Nadine, dun sa different binanggit na mga shows nyo, anong laman ng shows po? Is it gonna be parang uulitin yung sa Araneta?
Exactly po, para may mapagkwentuhan naman kayo ng mga kaibigan nyo at pamilya nyo abroad. Exactly the same Araneta show. Ito po yung dadalhin namin sa mga bansa na binanggit ko.
Ang bongga pala. Ano na lilibutin ng buong mundo ang Jadin in Love, the World Tour.
Also, in May, we'll also be having a second leg of
Wow.
the JD in Love concert in the States and Canada.
In Czechoslovakia, meron? Is there
I know.
Charot.
It's next year.
Next. Patol. Ayan mo. Ito lang po muna yung mga TFC, and then we will announce yung mga susunod po pong world tour na gagawin ng Jadin. Baka na maabuti na yung teleserye, June na yun, ha? 4 months to go. Okay, more questions about the world tour kasi mukhang na-announce na rin naman.
Yes, partner. We have a question from